Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video in the 90 Days to English Fluency series. If this is your first time here, don't forget to check out the earlier videos. They'll help you build your skills step by step on this journey to fluency. Every video in this series is packed with practical English for real-life situations like work, travel, socializing, and more. Remember, the key to success is practice, so be sure to watch each video multiple times to build confidence and improve your skills. And practice along with the video with using shadowing technique as we explained in previous videos. Speak loud and clear, and try to match the rhythm, pronunciation, and intonation with the speakers. Maybe first or second time you will find it difficult to practice along with the video, but if you continue your practice, soon you will find it easy. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with friends who want to learn, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. Let's get started and make English fluency a reality for you. Essential phrases for dealing with daily issues.
Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
I'm having a problem with this.
I'm having a problem with this.
Could you give me a hand?
Could you give me a hand?
What should I do about this?
What should I do about this?
I'm stuck. Can you assist me?
I'm stuck. Can you assist me?
Something's not working here.
Something's not working here.
I think there's an issue with this.
I think there's an issue with this.
This isn't going as planned.
This isn't going as planned.
I don't understand what's wrong.
I don't understand what's wrong.
There's been a misunderstanding.
There's been a misunderstanding.
Can you explain that again?
Can you explain that again?
I didn't quite catch that.
I didn't quite catch that.
What do you mean by that?
What do you mean by that?
Can you be more specific?
Can you be more specific?
I'm not sure I understand.
I'm not sure I understand.
I think I made a mistake.
I think I made a mistake.
Sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
Sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
Can I fix this somehow?
Can I fix this somehow?
Let's try to sort this out.
Let's try to sort this out.
This isn't what I intended.
This isn't what I intended.
This is so frustrating.
This is so frustrating.
I'm really upset about this.
I'm really upset about this.
Why does this keep happening?
Why does this keep happening?
I can't believe this happened again.
I can't believe this happened again.
I don't know how to deal with this.
I don't know how to deal with this.
What are my options here?
What are my options here?
How can I resolve this issue?
How can I resolve this issue?
Let's figure out a way to fix this.
Let's figure out a way to fix this.
Can we come up with a solution?
Can we come up with a solution?
What would you suggest?
What would you suggest?
What would you do in my situation?
What would you do in my situation?
Have you dealt with this before?
Have you dealt with this before?
Do you have any tips for me?
Do you have any tips for me?
What's the best course of action?
What's the best course of action?
How do you think I should proceed?
How do you think I should proceed?
I need to report an issue.
I need to report an issue.
There's something wrong here.
There's something wrong here.
This isn't functioning as expected.
This isn't functioning as expected.
We have a problem that needs attention.
We have a problem that needs attention.
Could you look into this for me?
Could you look into this for me?
Thanks for helping me out.
Thanks for helping me out.
I appreciate your support.
I appreciate your support.
Thank you for your patience.
Thank you for your patience.
I'm grateful for your assistance.
I'm grateful for your assistance.
I couldn't have solved this without you.
I couldn't have solved this without you.
Everything seems fine now.
Everything seems fine now.
I'll take care of it from here.
I'll take care of it from here.
Let's keep an eye on this.
Let's keep an eye on this.
Thanks for following up.
Thanks for following up.
I hope this doesn't happen again.
I hope this doesn't happen again.
Let me know if you need any help.
Let me know if you need any help.
I'm here to help you always.
I'm here to help you always.
Essential phrases for home-related conversations.
Good morning, did you sleep well?
Good morning, did you sleep well?
What do you want for breakfast?
What do you want for breakfast?
Don't forget to make your bed.
Don't forget to make your bed.
Let's open the windows for some fresh air.
Let's open the windows for some fresh air.
Do you need help getting ready?
Do you need help getting ready?
It's time to clean up the house.
It's time to clean up the house.
Can you vacuum the living room?
Can you vacuum the living room?
Please put your clothes in the laundry basket.
Please put your clothes in the laundry basket.
Let's tidy up the kitchen after dinner.
Let's tidy up the kitchen after dinner.
Who's going to take out the trash today?
Who's going to take out the trash today?
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
Do you need help in the kitchen?
Do you need help in the kitchen?
The food smells amazing.
The food smells amazing.
Let's set the table for dinner.
Let's set the table for dinner.
Can you pass me the salt, please?
Can you pass me the salt, please?
Let's watch a movie together.
Let's watch a movie together.
Do you want to play a board game?
Do you want to play a board game?
This is such a cozy evening.
This is such a cozy evening.
I'm going to read a book for a while.
I'm going to read a book for a while.
Let's have some quiet time.
Let's have some quiet time.
How was your day today?
How was your day today?
Do you need help with your homework?
Do you need help with your homework?
Let's talk about the weekend plans.
Let's talk about the weekend plans.
Do you want to go for a walk later?
Do you want to go for a walk later?
What's something fun we can do as a family?
What's something fun we can do as a family?
We need to fix the leaky faucet.
We need to fix that leaky faucet.
Did you water the plants today?
Did you water the plants today?
Let's organize the garage this weekend.
Let's organize the garage this weekend.
The light bulb in the hallway needs replacing.
The light bulb in the hallway needs replacing.
Can you help me fold the laundry?
Can you help me fold the laundry?
Don't forget to lock the doors before bed.
Don't forget to lock the doors before bed.
Is the oven turned off?
Is the oven turned off?
Let's make sure the windows are closed.
Let's make sure the windows are closed.
Do we have enough supplies in case of an emergency?
Do we have enough supplies in case of an emergency?
Be careful with that, it might break.
Be careful with that, it might break.
It's time to brush your teeth.
It's time to brush your teeth.
Let's read a bedtime story.
Let's read a bedtime story.
Don't forget to say your prayers.
Don't forget to say your prayers.
Good night, sleep tight.
Good night, sleep tight.
See you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Would you like something to drink?
Would you like something to drink?
Make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home.
Do you need a blanket or a pillow?
Do you need a blanket or a pillow?
Can I get you anything else?
Can I get you anything else?
Thanks for coming over.
Thanks for coming over.
The AC isn't working, let's call a technician.
The AC isn't working, let's call a technician.
We need to clean the gutters before it rains.
We need to clean the gutters before it rains.
Let's paint the walls a new color.
Let's paint the walls a new color.
Do you think we should rearrange the furniture?
Do you think we should rearrange the furniture?
Let's make a list of what needs fixing around the house.
Let's make a list of what needs fixing around the house.
Essential phrases for the office.
Good morning, how are you today?
Good morning, how are you today?
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
Did you have a productive day yesterday?
Did you have a productive day yesterday?
Anything exciting happening today?
Anything exciting happening today?
Let's catch up later about the project.
Let's catch up later about the project.
Could you help me with this task?
Could you help me with this task?
Can you explain this process to me?
Can you explain this process to me?
Do you have a moment to review this?
Do you have a moment to review this?
I'm stuck on this, do you have any advice?
I'm stuck on this, do you have any advice?
Can I get your input on this?
Can I get your input on this?
Let me know if you need any assistance.
Let me know if you need any assistance.
Do you want me to take care of this?
Do you want me to take care of this?
I'd be happy to help with that.
I'd be happy to help with that.
Is there anything I can do to support you?
Is there anything I can do to support you?
Would you like me to handle this for you?
Would you like me to handle this for you?
What time is the meeting scheduled for?
What time is the meeting scheduled for?
Can you send me the agenda?
Can you send me the agenda?
Let's discuss this in the next meeting.
Let's discuss this in the next meeting.
I'll take notes during the meeting.
I'll take notes during the meeting.
Could you clarify the action items?
Could you clarify the action items?
What's the deadline for this project?
What's the deadline for this project?
Is there a specific timeline for this task?
Is there a specific timeline for this task?
Let me prioritize this and get back to you.
Let me prioritize this and get back to you.
We need to finish this by end of the day.
We need to finish this by end of the day.
I'll update you once I make progress.
I'll update you once I make progress.
Do you have any feedback for me?
Do you have any feedback for me?
Let's brainstorm some ideas for this.
Let's brainstorm some ideas for this.
How do you think we should approach this?
How do you think we should approach this?
I appreciate your thoughts on this matter.
I appreciate your thoughts on this matter.
Could you review this document before I submit it?
Could you review this document before I submit it?
There seems to be an issue with this file.
There seems to be an issue with this file.
Let's troubleshoot this problem together.
Let's troubleshoot this problem together.
How do you think we should resolve this?
How do you think we should resolve this?
I'll escalate this to the manager if needed.
I'll escalate this to the manager if needed.
We need to address this issue immediately.
We need to address this issue immediately.
I'll send you an email with the details.
I'll send you an email with the details.
Can you forward me that document?
Can you forward me that document?
Please let me know if you have any questions.
Please let me know if you have any questions.
Keep me updated on the progress.
Keep me updated on the progress.
Don't forget to copy me in the email.
Don't forget to copy me in the email.
Do you mind if I borrow this?
Do you mind if I borrow this?
Please let me know if I'm disturbing you.
Please let me know if I'm disturbing you.
Could you lower your voice a bit?
Could you lower your voice a bit?
Let's keep the workspace tidy.
Let's keep the workspace tidy.
Thank you for being considerate.
Thank you for being considerate.
Is there anything else I need to finish today?
Is there anything else I need to finish today?
Let's wrap this up before we leave.
Let's wrap this up before we leave.
Have a great evening.
Have a great evening.
Let me know if anything urgent comes up.
Let me know if anything urgent comes up.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos and also comment. For more videos like this, please check out the playlist on end screen. Thanks for watching.